So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can manually switch from 5G to 4G network on your iPhone. That's definitely gonna save a lot of battery and internet for you. Now in order to do it, simply open the settings of your iPhone. In the setting, you have to click on this option of mobile service. Simply go over there and here you'll see this option of mobile data options. Simply tap over there. Now once you do that, here you'll see this option of voice and data over the top of your screen. Simply tap over there and here your first of the default option is set to 5G auto. All you need to do is to just simply select this option of LTE. Now what it does, it will directly switch to 4G and stop using 5G. That will save a lot of battery and internet for you. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.